So solutions of two variable equations. So when we're doing a solution of this, notice there's an underline there and a little arrow. It's going to be in the function of an, whoa, that's not how you spell an ordered pair. And you'll remember these from last year. It's like the XY, that's an ordered pair. So all of our solutions are going to be like that. So sometimes it's going to say you need to find a solution. To find a solution, we put in a value for x and we find y. So find two solutions for y equals 3x minus 4. So put a value in for x. What do you want to use, Zach? Pick something easy.
1.
1, there we go. All right. So if x equals 1, then y equals 3 times 1 minus 4. 3 times 1 is?
3.
3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is? Negative 1.
Wait, but why did you put parentheses? Wait,
I put parentheses around the 1 because when you put two numbers by each other, there's multiple ways you can write it. You could say 3 times 1. You could say 3 times 1. Or you could do it like this.
Can you put?
I could, but
Can you do 3 and then a dot and then 1?
yeah, that's the top option there.
No, like when you're doing it.
Yes, you could. Any one of these three options right here you could do. I use parentheses.
That should be confusing. The parentheses one is kind of confusing.
Was that like an eraser?
Yeah.
What else
That
would it
black
be?
streak?
All right.
Whoa.
So back to our problem. So that's one solution. One solution is 1, negative 1. We said x was 1. Y is negative 1.
Whoa.
So we need to find another solution.
Well, this is
So pick another value.
6.
18.
So let's do x equals 6. So y equals 3 times 6 minus 4. 3 times 6?
18.
18 minus 4
14. Y equals 4.
equals 14.
So it's
So we've got our second one, we'll do it over here, is
14
when
6.
x is 6, y is 14.
Mm-hmm.
That's finding solutions. You get to pick the x value to figure out what the y value is. Sometimes it might tell you, but generally it'll say, find a solution for this. Just pick any x value.
If it says find a solution.
When you're doing what you just did was 6 and 14, does it have to be in that order?
The x always comes first. So my x value of 6, y value of
Any
14.
number.
You can pick any number. I generally like to pick numbers that are easy to use,
1.
like 1 or 2 or 10,
0.
0. Yes.
So, like, when we.
So the next one, checking a solution, helps us understand does our solution work? So in this example here, is 5, 8 a solution to y equals 2 times x minus 1? Well, you're going to substitute the x and the y in to see if it's equal. So we're going to take our y. What's y in this case? What number?
8, 2.
8.
What? Oh, yeah.
So you got your x and your y equals
Is this like-
2
is this like showing
times
5?
5 minus 1. So you're trying to see, does the right side equal 8
No.
after you've done all the work?
Yes.
So what's my first thing I have to do on the right side?
5 minus 1.
I have to do 5 minus 1. So I have 2
Wait, why
times
is
4.
that?
Because it's in parentheses. So order of operations. Parentheses first.
I thought the
Excuse
answer
my
was
dear
minus
self.
9.
So 8 equals 8.
Equal.
They are equal. So is 5, 8 a solution? Yes, it is.
Unless you're.
That is the check. I'll say that again. That is the check. So on the test, when it says check to see, you're going to plug it in and you're going to do it.
Okay.
So don't say we never did that. Okay. Story problems.
We might still
story problems. First, you're going to write an equation and then put the numbers in and solve it. So John is an exterminator. He makes $40 per house call and $10 for each critter he catches. What is the charge if he gets 5 raccoons out of your attic?
You do
$50.
five, no,
$90.
40
So
plus
okay, good. So
40 plus
40,
10 times 5.
40 plus
No, x. 10x.
10
40 plus
x, because that's going to be my variable, right? Now,
Oh yeah.
do I have to use x?
No.
You can
No.
use y,
Is it
c,
five?
I could say,
Is it
Any
40
other-
plus 10 times 5?
letter in the alphabet.
let's make it 5 or 10c for critters, because it's $10 for every critter. And this is all going to equal his pay. So P equals pay, C equals critter. So now we just substitute. We don't know P, we're still trying to figure out. So 40 plus 10 times Five.
C equals 5 because he got 5 critters.
exactly. So we're substituting now.
Oh.
So what's my first step?
10
10
times 5.
times
10 times 5 is 50 plus 40.
It's like, why can't we just like write
90.
that one? I knew it, like right off